Do you want to learn how to make this fun Galaxy Pisces cake? Stay tuned and watch. To do the Pisces on the top, I have some black fondant here, and I'm going to put some Tylose powder in the black fondant so it dries really good overnight in the oven. Just put it in like it's a bowl and just put it in line, massage back and forth like this. So for the Pisces, I had a few that I chose from. This was a fish that I thought was real whimsical and cute. And then I also found this, it's more serious looking. And then I found this one, which is also kind of ornate. Now the style of people I'm doing this for, I think would like this one the best, so that's the one I'm gonna choose. So I wanna make sure I place it so it's balanced. And then what I do, I have this scroll here that it's for fondant, and I'm just going to trace out the fish with this. So when you do this, make sure you press pretty firmly into your image. Otherwise, it will be hard to really see. So you have to almost go right into it. So I glued the cake onto the cake board. I have this really cool confetti here that looks like stars, and I will be putting that on the cake. And I got this at Joann Fabrics, and it's a Wilton product. Looks like this. And I'm just gonna press down on the cake with the stars. And I also have some Cupcake Gems. It's called Shimmer Silver. And I'm just going to take just a little bit of this and just put it a little bit, but not a lot, because I don't want to overwhelm the cake with it. So this is my sanding sugar, and I'm just going to sprinkle a tiny bit on the cake and then on the sides. Just a little bit. This is a frosting I have that is left over from frosting the cake, and I'm going to use this with filling up this small piping bag that has a little star tip at the end of it. And I'm going to do this for piping a border, and I'm going to coat the sides of the bag with the blue, and then I'm going to fill it in with the pink so it gives different colors. I also have some silver stars, and I just thought I would just put some stars here and there. Here are the fish, and I decided to cut them out instead of having them on a black circle. I just think it looks better this way. So these are super thin, And I'm going to take my piping bag that has the frosting still in it and put a little bit in the back of each fish. But I want to make sure I don't break them, so be very careful. I have a little bit of frosting left in the bag, so I'm going to do a little bit of a border around the rim also. Since I carved out detail on the fish, I thought it'd be nice to highlight it, so I have this jade dusting powder that's of course edible. I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger, just a little tiny bit, and just lightly dust over the black fish so you can see the details coming out, and this kind of has a shimmer to it, which makes it look pretty too. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned something from it, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. See you next time.